Curdy Shower prefabricated trays are ideal for constructing a shower base and designed to integrate with the Schluter shower system. They are lightweight and easy to install. They can also be cut to size and extended with dry pack mortar if required. Curdy shower trays are available in an expanded range of sizes and configurations. Some of these sizes feature reduced thickness to help facilitate curbless shower applications. Our trays are also available with integrated waterproofing, making shower installation even easier. Let's take a look at the installation of one of our Curdy Shower TT thin trays. Cut a hole in the substrate for the Schluter Curdy drain and coupling to the waistline using the template provided. Do not use the opening in the shower tray as a guide. You must limit the diameter of the hole to 5 inches maximum to ensure proper support for the tile assembly. If there is access to the plumbing from below and the waistline can be connected to the Curdy drain after installation, you can install the tray prior to the drain. When there is no access to the plumbing from below, you will need to install and connect the Curdy drain to the waistline before installing the shower tray. Please refer to the No Access Plumbing demonstration with Curdy Drain and Curdy Shower Trays video. The substrate must be clean, even, load-bearing, and level. Any leveling of the floor must be done prior to installing the tray. The Curdy Shower TT is installed using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. A 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notch trowel is used to apply the mortar. Apply a thin layer of mortar to the subfloor with the flat side of the trowel, and then comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Place the shower tray and solidly embed in the mortar. If you are not immediately installing the Curdy drain, clean the mortar from the step in the shower tray and the area surrounding the hole in the subfloor. Otherwise, the dried mortar might interfere with your drain installation. A curbless application can be achieved by installing a plywood or OSB underlayment and Ditra Heat or Ditra XL membranes over the bathroom floor. Since we are raising the floor, the transition to the adjacent room must be checked. The transition will typically be manageable when the adjacent floor covering is relatively thick, such as a carpet with pad or 3/4 inch thick hardwood. Another option for a curbless shower is to recess the floor. The shower subfloor is recessed, and Ditra Heat or Ditra XL is installed over the bathroom floor to create a flush transition. Proper support of all structures is critical for this assembly. Refer to the recessed curbless shower video for more installation details. When neither raising the bathroom floor nor recessing the shower floor is an option, a prefabricated shower tray and ramp, like the Curdy Shower T or TS shower tray and Curdy Shower SR shower ramp, facilitate the transition between the shower and bathroom floors. It is installed in the same manner as the shower tray shown previously. The Curdy Shower SR ramp adheres to the slope ratio required by the ADA. The tray can also be installed in conjunction with our prefabricated shower curbs. The Curdy Board SC shower curb is installed as per usual, using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. Make sure the mortar is applied to all points of contact with the curb, including the subfloor, walls, and the edge of the shower tray for proper support. Embed the curb and make sure it is level. Next, we will install the Curdy drain. Fill the step in the shower tray and the area surrounding the hole in the subfloor completely with thin-set mortar. Press the Curdy drain firmly into the mortar for full support of the bonding flange. Clean excess mortar from the bonding flange to prepare for the Curdy collar installation. Use a Schluter Curdy trowel or a 1/4 by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel for the Curdy installation. Using the flat side of the trowel, apply thin-set mortar over the bonding flange and within the recessed area of the shower tray surrounding the drain. Then, comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Center the included Kerdi collar over the Kerdi drain and embed using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall taping knife. Make sure this connection is secure. Clean the excess mortar from the step in the bonding flange. Using the same technique, install the Kerdi Carrick corners and the Kerdi band waterproofing strips to seal the shower tray to the walls and curb. Depending on project requirements and installer preferences, the order of installation may vary. 2-inch overlaps must be maintained at all seams. The system is designed to be flexible and meet the needs of the installer. The installation of the Kerdi Shower TT Thin Tray, Kerdi Drain, and waterproofing are now complete. Schluter shower trays reduce installation time and make shower installation easier than ever.